Variables. Variables are the spaces in the memory for us to store values. You can imagine a variable as a box in which you can keep your books, food, clothes, and other stuffs. And if you store something in a box, you always write the name of the things you store in that box so that you can easily get it back when you need it. Same in the case of variables in computer. We assign a name to each variable we declare so that we can easily access it whenever we require. So what kind of values we can store in these variables? We can store a number value, a alphabetical value, and so on. But in Java, these values are more specifically defined. A number can be divided into integer. A integer is a number which varies from negative infinity to positive infinity. Decimal number. Decimal number means they have decimal points in them. Alphabetical value can be divided into character and string. Character means a letter of English such as A, B, C. String is a series of character such as the word book, games, and so on. Imagine if I have a 5 liter of water bottle but I have to only store 1 liter of water in it, the rest of 4 liter space will be left. Similarly, if I have to store a small number, the computer will provide me the space same as if I have to store a very big number. To overcome this problem, the Java have provided us data types. Data types help us to store values according to their size, such as if I have to store a small number, the data type I will be used is byte or short. Or if I have to store a very big number, I will use long or double. For storing a small integer number, we have data types like byte, short, int, and to store a very big integer number, we have long. Similarly, to store a small decimal number, we have float, and to store a very big decimal number, we have double, and to store a value like true or false, we have boolean, and to store the letter of English alphabets, we have char. So in total, we have 8 primitive data types. Each data type take up different space in memory, as you can see in the table in your screen popping right now. So now let's move on to the coding part. Before that, I just want to tell you that you need a Java setup in your computer. Means that you have to install JDK and IDE. But if you don't have the environment setup, you can go to my blog whose link is in the description for the setup. So now I am in my Visual Studio Code, and first we have to open a new folder and create a Java file in it. And remember, all the Java files have the extension .java. So after creating the Java file, we need some extensions. The name of the extension that you have to download is popping on your screen now. So after downloading the extension, we are ready to go. In the Java file that I have just made and named variables and data type, the file have a public class name exactly same as the Java file. This is the basic syntax of every Java file. So in order to run a Java program, we have a main method. Main is the starting point from which Java programs run. To print something in Java, we have a line of code that is system.out.println and then brackets. And to print something, we have to write in those brackets. And now I'm going to declare and initialize all the primitive data type that we have just learned. And declaration of a variable means that it has been declared but not given the value, and initializing means that the values has been assigned to it. That's for it for today's video. If you enjoy it and learn something new, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss our future videos. And thank you for watching.